Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So, first of all, thank you so much for joining for today's session. Today, we are not going to discuss any technical concept or programming language, okay? Instead, what we're going to do, we are going to talk about something that matters for every student. Yeah, that's your career. Okay, so whenever someone joins any training institute, one question is always back of their mind, which is, will this course will actually help me to get a job? Exactly. So that's why today's presentation is designed to answer that question honestly. My name is Sally and I'll be explaining you how SevenMentor supports students from the day they enroll until they are ready to face the interview. Okay? How to build a successful career, and by end of this session you'll understand our placement process, the different career opportunities available for your course, and what you need to do maximize your chances of getting hired. So let's quickly hop on to the next slide. As you can see, this is basically the overview of today's session. So we'll start by introducing some things about SevenMentor and sharing our journey in IT education. Then we'll look our placement track record and understand the different career paths available across multiple technologies. Okay, as you can see, the point third will be job profiles and freshers salary ranges. So we'll discuss how a technical knowledge isn't enough, like how competitive today's market is, like what companies actually expect from freshers. Okay, so next point will be the skills and actually companies are what looking for. Then next is interview preparation and placement support, and the sixth will be placement process and the honest FAQs. So that's it. Then we'll hop on to the slide number 3, which is, so let's be honest, whenever a student joins any institute, they normally have a lot of questions in their mind. Some students ask, will I receive placement opportunity after completing the course? What kind of job I can post for like after the course? What skills do companies actually look for? Like what is the placement process step by step actually? Then how I can improve my chance of getting selected? These are genuine concerns, and as an institute, we believe students deserve honest answers, not false promises. Today's presentation is all about answering these questions with complete transparency. So let's quickly learn a little about SevenMentor. So now SevenMentor has been India's trusted IT training institute for more than 15 years. During this journey, we have trained more than 80,000 students across various technologies. We currently offer 1,000 plus industry focused courses taught by experienced trainers who focus on practical learning. Over the years, we built a relationship with 500 hiring partners and corporate partners, creating opportunity for our students across different industries. One of the things we're especially proud of is our 4.9 Google star rating, which reflects the trust our students have on our placement. Okay, today, many of our alumni are working in companies like Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Bajaj, ITC, and many other organizations. These achievements motivate us to continue helping students to build a successful career. Then we'll see the next thing, which is our placement track record. So what is our placement track record basically? So we believe in learning is the only first step. Our real object is to help students to move from learning to employment. That's why we have dedicated placement team that supports eligible students throughout the placement process. Students regularly receive job descriptions that match their course specialization. We also conduct resume building sessions, mock interviews, HR interview preparations, technical interview guidance, and continuous placement support. Because of our corporate hiring network across cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, data analytics, AI, and full stack development, students get access to multiple hiring opportunities. The placement team works continuously to connect students with suitable companies based upon their skills and eligibility. So as you can see here, I like to show you something. These are the place students data that we have for like all months. You can see here we have months and we have departments also. So let's see data science. These are the students are placed for data science, okay, in Last 6 months we have placed this many students for data science. These are students got placed for like development. Then you can see there is Hadoop, there is networking, there is SAP, there is SAP FICO and Salesforce. So these are our students who got successfully placed in various companies and they are now working for their dream jobs. Okay, we'll hop on to the next slide, which is career tags that we offer. Okay, so basically in this slide I'm going to explaining you what career paths we are providing to our students. So there are various domains that you can see. There is cloud computing, there is cybersecurity, there is data science and data analytics, there is data engineer and also full stack development. Technology offers many career options and every student has a different interest. If you enjoy working in network and cloud technologies, cloud computing is a great choice for you. If ethical hacking, which is something that excites you, then cybersecurity is the path for you. Student interest in data science and data analytics can go for data science and data analytics courses. If you enjoy working with database and large-scale data processing, data engineering is an excellent option for you. There is last, which is full stack development. If you want to build a website and applications, this is the most in demand career path for you. Each track is designed according to your current industry requirements. So you can just go for it. So let's see one by one what we offer in each course domain. Okay. So first we'll have like cloud computing and what job profiles you can have in cloud computing. So as you can see on the screen, there are multiple job opportunities for you in cloud computing. After completing the course, student can apply for various roles like cloud support engineer, or AWS engineer, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, cloud security associate, and platform engineer. So you can see here on basis of the career that you're choosing, what will be your starting salary like for freshers. Okay, and depending upon that, we have also mentioned if you're working for entry level jobs, then what salaries companies are currently giving. Then there is site reliability engineer on junior level will be getting like 6 to 10 LPA. So the better your practical knowledge and the project experience, the stronger your chance of getting higher package salary. Okay, fresher generally starts between 3 LPA to 10 LPA depending upon their skills, certifications, projects, interview performance, and the company they join. Now let's see for cybersecurity, what we offering for cybersecurity job profiles. Again, as you can see on the screen, there are multiple job offerings for cybersecurity also. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing industries worldwide. Companies are constantly hiring professionals who can secure their system and networks. After completing this track, students can work as SOC analysts, network security engineers, ethical hackers, incident response analysts, cybersecurity engineers, and also malware analysts. Freshers usually receive a salary package running from approximately 3.5 LPA to up to like 10 LPAs based upon their technical knowledge and of course interview performances. With continuous learning and certification, career growth in cybersecurity is also very promising. So it's basically depends upon you. Like if you are excited about cybersecurity and you get excited about these malware functions and all this, so this is the career for you guys. And the more you learn, the more certifications you get, then there is a very promising career for you in cybersecurity. So let's hop on to the next slide, which is data science, data analytics, and business analytics. Okay, so now let's talk about one of the most popular career options today, which is data science and data analytics. Every business generates data, but data becomes valuable only when someone can analyze it and make a smart business decision. In this track, students learn from Python, SQL, Power BI, machine learning, statistics, generative AI, and agentic AI. After completing the course, student can also apply for roles like data analytics, business analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, AI engineer, and decision scientist. Okay, so here also the basic fresher package starts between 4 LPA to 12 LPA depending upon your skills, projects, also your certifications, and of course how do you perform in interviews. Today, almost every industry from banking to healthcare to e-commerce and manufacturing is hiring professionals with data skills, because data is the most important thing for any business, and if you can handle data, then you can become a data scientist or a data analytics. It's upon you guys. So let's see the next slide, which is data engineering. Now, data engineering job profiles are junior data engineer, LTA developer, data engineer, Azure data engineer, big data engineer, and Spark developer. Many students confuses between data science and data engineering. Think it of this way. Data scientist his job is that they analyze the data, while a data engineer builds the system to collect, organize, and process the data. So there's a difference between these two. Data scientists, who are the people, they analyze the data, while the data engineers are the people who build the system to collect that data, to organize that data, and process that data. Okay, in this course, student can learn SQL, MongoDB, LT, AWS, Hadoop, Spark, Scala, and other technologies used in large organizations. Career opportunities include, as you can see on the screen, data like junior data engineer, LTA developer, Azure data engineer, big data engineer, and Spark developer. So, freshers generally take salary packages between 4 LPA to 12 LPA, depending upon the company they are going for and their technical expertise. With companies generating a massive amount of data every day, skilled data engineers are really in high demand, guys. So if you are somebody who was interested in data, you definitely can go for this course. So this is something that you can do, guys. So now let's see what is full stack development and what job profiles we are offering in full stack development. If you are interested in creating website and web applications, full stack development is an excellent career option for you. A full stack developer works on both front end and also a back end that handles applications and logical database. Our curriculum covers React.js, Next.js, Angular, Java Spring Boot, .NET, Node.js, and MERN stack. After completing this course, students can apply for roles such as front-end developer, full stack developer, MERN stack developer, Java developer, Node.js developer, and full stack Java developer. Also, as you can see on the screen, the freshers package starts from 3 LPA and it goes up to 9 LPA with plenty of opportunities. For a rapid career growth and experience increases, you should go for a full stack data development. If data or building a website can really excites you, this is the career for you. These are some hiring partners that we have. So one question students often ask is, which companies hire SevenMentor students? So as you can see on the screen, there are multiple companies that are hiring partners, and over the years, we have built relationship with wide network of hiring partners across multiple industries. These companies regularly hire freshers and experienced professionals from different technology domains. However, it's important to understand that companies hire based on your skills, guys. Interview performances, how is your communication, and what project experiences you have. So, our responsibility is to connect you with the opportunities, while your responsibility is to prepare yourself and perform well in interview. Because unless and until you cannot perform well in interview, these companies are not gonna hire you. Okay, so it's based upon you that how well you how well you prepare yourself to perform in the interview. So let's see. So as you can see on the screen, these are our corporate clients. Okay, so along with hiring partners, SevenMentor also works with various corporate clients, training and skills development. These collaborations help us to understand the latest technology, what are the hiring trends, and what industry are actually expecting. This allows us to continuously update our curriculum so that students can learn the skills that companies actually needed. So next we have our educational collaboration network. So we also have collaborated with many engineering college and educational institutes across Maharashtra. This partnership helps students to get early exposures to industry-focused technologies even before graduation, guys. Many colleges invite SevenMentors to conduct workshops, seminars, certification programs, and placement training sessions also. This is wide educational network reflects the trust that institution placed in SevenMentor for career-oriented training. Our goal is to bridge the gap between students and academic industries. Let's hop on to the next slide. So I think this is the most important thing for today. You have to understand that what skills do companies actually are looking for beyond the syllabuses, beyond the qualities that your resume is shortlisted for. These are some skills that you actually have to brush up if you want to end up in a such dream job that you have. So now we are let's discuss something is very important. As I said, many students believe that simply completing a course guarantees you a job, but that's not how recruitment works actually. Companies evaluate your profile. They look for strong technical knowledge. They look for hands-on project experience. They look for problem-solving ability that you have. They look for good communication and interest skills you have. They look for basic adaptive and logic reasoning that you give. So they also expect professionalism, adaptability, confidence during interviews, and familiarity with industry standard tools. That's exactly why our training focuses not only on technical concepts but also in making you industry ready, because that's what companies are expecting from you today. Jump on the next slide, which is very important for you, that is interview preparation and placement support. So this is why we have started this session, that students will actually get to know that what is our placement support is and what we give students to prepare for their interviews. So this is where our placement team becomes actively involved. We don't simply forward job openings, we prepare students to success in interview. We conduct technical and HR mock interviews to build your confidence. Our team helps students to create professional resume and optimize their LinkedIn profiles also, guys. We encourage students to build GitHub responsibilities and project portfolios because recruiters value practical work, because they don't know what you did until and unless they see your practical work. Students also receive soft skills training, group discussion practice, interview etiquettes and guidance, HR and technical preparation, salary negotiation support, and access to a placement drive. By the time students attend the interview, they are much better prepared, both technically and professionally. That is very important, that skills you need to brush up. So now let's hop on to see what our placement process actually includes. So as you can see on the screen, the first option is obviously eligibility. Now let's understand the complete placement process at SevenMentor. Many students think placement start after the course completed, but there is actually a structured process that every eligible student follows, which is, as you can see, first option the first step is eligibility. So what exactly is eligibility? Okay, so that you have the technical knowledge and you can attend the interviews confidently. Unless and until you have 70 to 80% of the course knowledge, you're not able to answer the questions. Okay, so this is the criteria that we follow. Until you are done with 70 to 80% of your course, major modules, you cannot appear for the placement process. Okay, so that is the first and basic thing. Then second thing, after you complete this, you completed 70 to 80% of your course, then there is second step comes into, which is registration. And now what is registration? Once you're eligible, students fill out the placement registration form. This officially enrolls you in our placement assistant program. Next will be the job description sharing. As the name suggests, our placement team regularly shares job opening that matches students' course and skill set through the registered email. So you have to register through your email, and then our placement team will share you job openings on that same email. Okay. So fourth part is resume submission. Okay. So as name suggests, students need to reply with their latest updated resume. A well-prepared resume increases chance of getting shortlisted. Everybody knows that, right? Now, what is shortlisting process? So, as you can see, the fifth process is a shortlisting process. So, the placement team forwards your suitable resumes to the company. If the company finds the profile suitable, They shortlist the candidate and they share interview details on your registered email ID. Then interview scheduling comes in. So what do you have to do? That the placement team informs students about the interview date, the time, the mode, whether it's going to be online or offline, and then you have to travel there for your interview. So that's what you have to do. Then the next steps come in, which is interview and offer letter. Okay, the first step is interview and the next is offer letter. If you attend the interview, perform confidently, and if selected, you receive your offer letter. Okay, one important thing I always tell students is to keep checking your registered email, keep your resume updated, and stay reachable because interview calls can come at any time, guys. The placement team will guide you through the process, but your preparation, punctuality, and attitude play the biggest role in getting selected. Remember, guys, you have to be punctual, you have to be prepared, and your attitude while you're giving the interview is your key to getting selected for any interview. So the most important question is do we provide 100% placement? We believe in being honest rather than making unrealistic promises. Here's how our students generally achieve their career goals. As you can see on the screen, 70% of our students placed through dedicated placement assistant and corporate hiring network, which is provided by SevenMentor, obviously. Then 20% of students secure their job on their own after training, thanks to practical industry-ready skills that they are able to do secure their job on their own. Then the remaining 10% choose different path. Some pursue their higher education, some start their own business, some relocate, and some simply decide not to practice in placement. Okay, so instead of promising guaranteed jobs, we promise something that is much more valuable, which is quality training, genuine placement support, and every possible opportunity to help you to build your career. At the end of the day, your success depends upon dedication, continuous learning, attendance, project work, and of course your interview performances. When students actively participate and prepare sincerely, the chances of getting placed is obviously became much higher. So in the end, it comes upon you guys. Of course, you have to be continuously learning, you have to attend the lectures, you have to do the projects that your tutor is giving to you, and you have to perform well in your interview. So when you do that, your chances of getting higher is obviously became higher. So that is all for today. I hope I can able to give you the answers to your questions. I hope this solves your many queries. Thank you everyone for taking your time and your attention. I hope today's session give you a clear understanding of how SevenMentor supports students of learning technical skills to prepare your interviews and to connect with the placement opportunities. Remember, joining a course is the only first step. Your real success depends upon consistency, practice, project work, communication skills, and willingness to keep learning. At SevenMentor, we provide the training guidance, interview preparation, placement support, and opportunities. But your effort will determine how far will you go. If you have any questions about course, placement, career paths, or eligibility, I'll be happy to answer that now. Thank you once again, and I wish each one of you a successful and rewarding career in IT industry. Thank you for listening, guys.